Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your PhonePe app to the latest version. So if you want to get the latest feature that comes with this PhonePe app, the best thing to do is to go ahead and update it. By updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any security issues as well as bugs that might be associated with this app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, now to update this app, you'll need to go ahead and look for the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go ahead and look for this app through my Google Play Store. And to do that, I'll click on Google Play Store here and then use the search option here to search for the app. And here is my PhonePe app. If I click on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of PhonePe app, which is not secure. To update it, just go ahead and tap on update, and this will proceed and download the latest version of PhonePe app and then install it on your smartphone. From here, you will have the latest version of this app. You can now proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of PhonePe app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.